Welcome to this proof of concept video for financial aid. Let's make financial aid easier for you. The Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships is here at U of M-Dearborn to guide you through gaining financial aid for your incoming school year. This video is here to give you information on how to complete the standard processes to obtain aid for your upcoming academic year. In order to qualify for financial aid at U of M-Dearborn, you have to complete your free application for federal student aid. The application can be found on studentaid.gov. This application is free and is available October 1st of every year. In order to begin completing your application, you and your parent will be required to create a FAFSA ID through studentaid.gov. This ID allows students and parents to identify themselves electronically to access federal student aid websites. For this upcoming academic year's FAFSA, you will need the following information to complete your financial aid application. Have your Social Security number or alien registration number, federal income taxes for applicable year, W-2s or records of money earned, bank statements, and record of investments. Before you submit your FAFSA, let's go over dependency status for students. This specific region of the FAFSA is important because it determines if you need to provide your parents' tax information, or if you are eligible not to report it. There are two different dependency statuses, dependent and independent. As a dependent student, you are required to report your parents' information on your FAFSA to determine what your expected family contribution is for the year, and don't worry, we will review that a bit later. As an independent student, you are only required to enter in your information in order to determine your expected family contribution. Let's go over independent status eligibility. The FAFSA has unique questions that will determine your dependency status, so please review those carefully. Here are some common situations that would not qualify you to be an independent student. My parents do not claim me on their taxes. I am not living with my parents, and cover my own housing expenses. My parents won't pay for my schooling, I support myself. Unfortunately, if this information is not correct on the application, it can affect how aid is given to you by an institution. If you believe that your situation should be considered in your dependency status, please reach out to the Financial Aid Office for the options that you have. Once the FAFSA is submitted to the Department of Education, it will go through their processing department, which is the central processing system. When it is fully processed, it will be sent to the U of M-Dearborn Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships within 1 to 2 weeks. If the application cannot be processed, the Department of Education will send you detailed instructions on how to correct any errors on your FAFSA application through your student aid report. If you would like your application sent to U of M-Dearborn, please remember to use our designated school code of 002326 on your FAFSA. After the submission of the FAFSA, the Department of Education may randomly select you to verify information reported on your application. When you submit the FAFSA application, the Department of Education uses the tax information reported to calculate your expected family contribution. The expected family contribution is a measure of your family's financial strength and is calculated according to a formula established by law. This value helps the federal government and the institution determine what you are eligible for in terms of financial aid for schooling, whether that is loans, grants and/or scholarships. Priority deadline for U of M-Dearborn is December 1st every year for incoming freshmen. For freshmen, it is beneficial to have your admissions application and FAFSA application in by December 1st, to have eligibility reviewed for merit scholarships at U of M-Dearborn. For incoming transfer students and international students, there is no set priority deadline for scholarships. For incoming transfer students and international students, it is beneficial to review the resource page for your respective scholarships to see if there are individual requirements that need to be completed for specific scholarship qualification. Our website has multiple areas where scholarships are located.
U of M-Dearborn has a new scholarship opportunity for students planning to attend. We are now offering the Go Blue Guarantee Award at U of M-Dearborn. This award is a full tuition scholarship that will cover tuition and fees here at U of M-Dearborn. To be considered for the award, you must be eligible for in-state tuition, eligible to complete the FAFSA application, have an adjusted gross income of $65,000 or less, and assets below $50,000, pursuing your first bachelor's degree, are enrolled full-time, meet the GPA requirements associated with the award. If you are a student who believes that your FAFSA information submitted does not reflect your current financial aid situation, there are appeal processes that can be completed through the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships. If your circumstances have changed, please feel free to reach out to the Financial Aid Office to determine if you need to complete the appeal process. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships. We are available via email at umdaskofa@umich.edu, or via phone appointments through our Contact Us page online. We hope to see you soon. Go Blue, and be well.